If you're looking for a home in Silver Spring, be sure and check out this beautiful home at 10221 Capitol View Avenue. It has it all. Location, it's a fantastic commuter location. The lot, it's an amazing level lot, totally fenced in yard with a 6-foot privacy fence. There's new trees that have been planted, and there's space to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Inside there's over 2,000 square feet of living space. 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and check out the size of this kitchen and the separate dining room. The living room and the sitting rooms are open and spacious, so if you're looking for the perfect home in Silver Spring, you want to be sure and stop on by. We're available any day and every day with just a 2-hour notice to set up an open house. Just call or text Mark at 301-418-8640 to schedule a time to see this fantastic home. Write Mark at mdrepros.com to get more information about how you can make this amazing house your home. Again, stop on by.